Hey everyone, what is going on? Welcome back to another video. It is Wilson, and in this video, I just want to kind of talk about why I don't day trade cryptocurrencies and altcoins and Bitcoin. Whereas I usually use I call it, I guess you can say, hold and invest, similar to swing trading. And there's a reason behind it, especially for cryptocurrencies. So my background is actually more of a day trader, a scalper, as you guys probably know from my other videos in this channel. But that's with the stock market, right? So with cryptocurrencies, it's not the same, and the mentality that you have to approach it is totally different because these are companies that aren't necessarily like big enterprise Fortune 500 companies. They're people looking to make a change using blockchain technology to kind of big innovation in this world. And we don't know if these coins are going to be around for a long time, but um, it's a really hot space and it's super liquid. So the price goes up and down a lot. There's a lot of volume going on. Not saying that you shouldn't day trade at all, but my personal preference, and I've tested both, my results were a lot better when I actually went and did this buy and hold strategy. So let me just talk about some of the benefits real quick of day trading. If you're day trading, um, I mean, you can pretty much, like right here, you can go on CoinMarketCap, you can find any type of these altcoins. Go on an exchange like Polynex or Binance, Bitstamp, wherever you want to start day trading on. And then you can easily go into one of these coins like Tron, for example. Uh, and you can analyze what's going on with the charts and buy the dip and hope it goes up. But look at that. This is like just like a couple cents, right? So you have to be very focused on the market because with cryptocurrencies, it's 24 hours 7. So it's not like you wake up at a certain time and you start day trading and then you call it a day towards like power hour and just do your first 10 minutes of the day. You know, this market changes every single minute, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So you have to be very focused. You have to know charts really, really well because when you're day trading cryptocurrencies, it's technical analyst side with all the indicators like RSI, the SMA 50, the SMA 20 is all the same as day trading, but day trading stocks. But you have to pretty much know technical analysts really well. So that's a downside. But you can make a quick buck. Like if you see that you don't want to trade these small currencies because they're only like these are like penny stocks, right? You can think of it as penny stocks. But let's say you go for something like more volatile as well as more liquid, like Ethereum. ETH is the ticker. You can buy dips, of course, and you can use stuff like SMA 20, SMA 50. So if you already have that bread and butter technical analyst skills, go ahead and give it a try. And you can make quick buck by scalping or just holding it for the day. But my strategy or my approach to it is I like to buy these cryptocurrencies, buy these altcoins, and I like to hold it. Uh, and then if I get a good return, what I do is that I either double down on it or I do a partial sell. So same strategy applies to like swing trading, as well as people who day trade for the whole entire day. I do partial sells throughout like weeks, and I just found that there's just a lot better return for me in the long term. And I've hold almost um, over 50 different coins in my entire cryptocurrency investment time. So, for example, what I like to do is a good example would be if you go to ICOstats.com, you can find any coin right here and the ROI. And you can see the ROI since last week, ROI since last month. I don't hold it since the ICO date. I try not to get involved in ICOs. I've participated in probably just a handful. Uh, but if you look at the results, it's pretty good. So, for example, here's one of my favorite coins, Neo. I'm still holding this right now. But look, the ICO price was like 3 cents, right? So and right now it's at 157. I think last week it was at like 140, and I'm still holding on to this right now. I got in actually rather, I would say rather late at like 40 bucks, but my return is just much more massive, and I just feel like if you hold these coins and understand and do your research into the company and seeing what it's about, it moves a lot faster. I mean, we rarely see stocks move this high in price, right? Even Apple right now, isn't really priced from the day that they were listed until now at higher price. And I think Neo can actually go above like 500 or even 1,000 by the end of 2018. So that's just one more year of holding, and I can get massive, massive return. Same thing with these like stuff like if you like playing like OTC markets or penny stocks. Uh, see, I mean like if you look at all these stuff like Stratus, you can see their price and then their current price, and it's not that long ago. I mean, 2017 compared to like now, or 2016 compared to now. So there's a lot of different things, and especially how they leverage blockchain. I think for this specific industry and market, you should do a buy and hold type of strategy over day trading for those quick pennies. Because in the long term, especially with technology growing, blockchain growing, more and more innovation coming out, more and more of these different type of coins, privacy coins that are solving big problems, they tend to soar up a lot higher. It's just like angel investing into a startup. You know, within 3 or 4 years, you get like 100 extra return. Whereas with day trading, every day you're focused, you're stressed out, you're worried that price go up and go down, um, and that won't happen. Another thing that I did was when it comes to crypto investing for these buy and holds is that I invest in some of these masternode coins. So for those that don't know what masternode coin is you can think of it as mining. It's like a big mining pool where you can participate in these coins, and what happens is that they will give you passive income. So similar to like ETFs or mutual funds, but you got to make sure you check the requirement that you have to own in order to actually get any type of passive income from it. And look at these, like 330% ROI, 287% ROI. Now, not all these coins are still around anymore, but I mean, look at the upward potential. It's possible for such a low price. So you just own these stocks, and it's just much better than like Dividend stocks or even day trading. All you have to do is own the minimum, and then look at what you can get from it. Like all the returns that you can get. So when it comes to cryptocurrency, this specific market, I would have to say that you must hold and invest, because if you're looking to make money, there's just so many more ways. You can participate in ICOs. Uh, you can do these masternodes. You can just buy some of these popular coins like Ripple, more stable ones like privacy coins and Monero, and just hold it. It's just much better. And take your profits always, because the market does go up and down, and these coins can disappear. It's like a penny stock. Make sure you do your research on the company. You read their white paper. You do your due diligence, and you do your research to see if the coin is actually, like a solid company, and if they're solving a good problem before investing. Well, that's my strategy, and that's just a quick video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please check out cryptomenow.com for any type of latest updates on crypto news. We try to make crypto easy for everyone to understand on cryptomenow.com. Just subscribe to our daily newsletter, and we'll be doing a bunch of giveaways right now. You can follow me on Twitter at itswilson8, and subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you.